Hi, I'm Margaret, and today I'm going to make some delicious little cake pops. Now, before I go any further, I must thank Vicky for passing on this little electric cake pot machine to me. It's been great fun to play with, and I've tried quite a few different flavour combinations. Today I'm using a Victoria sandwich recipe. I've just divided the mixture by 3 because we don't need too much batter for these little delights. I'm giving it a really good mix to make it lovely and light and airy before I add the flour. Let's fold that in now. Now the easiest way to pop this into the machine is to pipe it in. Hopefully this way I won't make too much mess. I also find popping a clip on the end of the piping bag helps it not to leak. I've preheated the cake pop maker and I need to grease it a little. This olive oil spray will do the job nicely. And in with the batter. Just a little bit into each crevice. Now I came across these lovely Morello Glacé Cherries. I thought these might do nicely in there today. Hopefully there'll be a nice pop of flavour in the middle. So let's pop them in. I'm pushing them down a little bit, but not right to the bottom. Then just a tiny bit more batter to cover up the cherries. On with the top, and let's leave them for just 5 minutes. I find the best way to get them out is to use a pointy stick. A cocktail stick would do the job just nicely. Now let's let those cool a little before we go any further. These can be decorated with anything, of course, but I came across this lovely chocolate transfer sheet, so I thought I'd try it out today. So the first thing to do is to make sure the sticks stay in the cakes. So I'm going to dunk it in a little bit of white chocolate there, push it through and let the chocolate set. That should do it. Then into the chocolate of your choice. Give it a good swirl, make sure it's completely covered, especially the bottom. And then pop it straight onto the transfer sheet. I'm also going to try it with milk and then with plain chocolate, just to see what the transfer looks like on each one. Now these just need to set completely in the fridge. Let's have a look at each one. All in all, I think I preferred the dark ones because that dark chocolate went so well with the Morello Cherry. I wonder which your favourite would be. Thanks so much for watching my little video today. I do hope you enjoyed it. Take care, and I'll catch you again very soon.